Come on. Now, if you'll notice, from this distance, it's the machine in the back with the yellow mandrel and the yellow hold down. That's the coil reel with the unwind and edge conditioning or edge, keeping the edge of the material on center. And I think it's 50,000 pounds, isn't it? Let's go see. 60,000 pounds? Okay. That looks to me over there as though it may be 50,000 pounds. This piece right here, and by the diameter of the mandrel. Would this have a tag? Oh, I was thinking tags on it. It does it. But anyways, this is an incredible piece of equipment. The coil car, the way we make our keepers by comparison, the coil keepers by comparison. So how ours work is you pull it back and forth very gently like this, but in the event that they need to hold in this place, if the coil's hitting here, you can't move it. So no mechanical stuff, no wear and tear. It's always right there 100%. You might look at our wheels, for example. We make every single wheel here on this piece. Very robust. Look at the mandrel on the hold down because it has to have the power to be able to bend the material back to flat so it holds, so it doesn't spring, uncoil, and you have to be able to retract accordingly after it's just being utilized. And then our edge guides, up on top. The rollers here that help assist the material getting into the straightener, and then look underneath. As you can see, the structure here and the care for the wiring, the care for how all the hosing, hydraulic hosing is done. I mean, it's just beautifully done. All of the welds. Look at the welds we have on ours. They're just perfect. They're perfect welds. The control panel is very simple, yet very precise. And I don't think there's another company in our country that makes straighteners as heavy as this one, from a standpoint of durability and also the capacity of raw material, high strength that it can process effortlessly. This particular machine comes, I believe, with a 75 horsepower drive. All right. This thing's going to be running 100 years from now. Automatic lubrication system for the gear train. We're the only company that does this type of work for the raise and lower on our upper straightening roll, so that we can precisely position the upper roll down to the fixed rolls to be able to yield the material precisely with great accuracy at whatever thickness it is that they require to have done. That's within the range of the machine. And if you'll notice here on this side, there's if you had a loop on your coil that came down, coming this way, it wouldn't catch the exit bar here because it's bent down, formed down. As you can see, these radiuses here to be able to capture that coming off the last roll of the power straightener. Then, if you look underneath here, again, you'll see more and more great precision of wiring, of hose utilization, and the strength of the way the cabinets are put together, the weldments. This is a 75 horsepower drive that this machine is built with. And if you see over here, underneath here, that's a double 160 chain coming off this gearbox, so as to be able to assist flawlessly with whatever type of material that they have that's within the realm of the machine. It'll just feed it without, doesn't whine, doesn't. I mean, it's just it's just an incredible machine. There's very few machines like this anywhere. It's strong. And if you look too, we have each one of the rollers they have these monitors on them, so that if there's an vent problem, it automatically lets know, boom, we shut it down, fix the problem, go. We're very proud of these things, but if you look at them, we don't skimp on putting heavy duty stuff in, because this is a beautiful machine that can process that high strength steel quite easily. This is our reel. In the back of the reel, again showing you how tidy this is, how nicely it's done. And if you'll notice on this machine, we manufacture and have designed and built our entire braking system for this machine, because what you bought commercially was not adequate to stop this thing the way it needs to be stopped. And we've had little failures with these whatsoever throughout the multiple years that we've had them. You know, they're just great. You know, we can put 4 stopping pucks on one sprocket to provide that stopping force. And then if you look here on this surface here, we've had this sandblast shot, so that when we put our pucks on here, these hydraulic cylinders that lock the puck up against this, you've got some really good, you know, grip and structure, so there's no flexing going on. It's serious. This is a great machine. So that's this is the control panel down here too. Young man, how are we doing? Huh?
Well, how are you?
Good to see you. We're doing a little video thing. Keep going, but okay. These are our guys. How many guys we got from Mexico? Engineers? 4? 3?
4.
How many we got?
I don't know.
1? 2? Two of them? Okay. But you know, you guys were all from Mexico City, right? Yeah. Pretty much in that area.
The Querétaro.
Okay.
Very close.
But these fellows have brought a great value to compressor equipment and their electrical expertise in putting these panels together, programming the panels, making all the function within the machines to respond precisely on time. These are incredible panels. They're once you get over here and look at them, they're some of the prettiest panels you'll ever see, because not many people go to the extent of quality and structure that we do in our machines. They're just and these guys have been the creators of that, which is awesome.
Thank you.
I guess that's it.